Here we are going to pull up a GIS map for a particular property. Basically, the GIS map is a computer overlay of the boundaries for our property, and I'm just going to go and get the address of the house that we want. Each town is a little bit different, but for the most part, it's going to be the same for each property. So this is the address that I'm looking up. It's 11 Daniel Drive in Burlington. And so first, I'm going to just type in Burlington, MA. That's the city and state, and then GIS. That's kind of the keyword. If I kind of poke through here, I don't really see anything popping out on the Burlington website. I'm going to check that before I go down to Oliver. Oliver basically has all the towns, but sometimes these the city or town itself has a slightly better looking report. Okay, so this is the city website, and so within the city website I'm going to search GIS again. And it doesn't look like they have anything linked on their site. Online service. Let's check here. I'm just scanning for GIS. Yeah, I don't see it here, so I'm going to go back to my Google search. And the state, basically, for every city has or town has this information available. Again, it's just not quite as attractive, and I don't think it has the same information necessarily that we need as far as dimensions of the lot. It's just going to show us the shape of the lot. Go to my address here, 11 Daniel Drive. And just punch that in here. Zoom to center point. That's, verify the address. Zoom to the center point, and this is the property. So I can basically just right-click and print this. I always like to save it as a PDF. That's the easiest to work with. Each system is going to save PDFs a little bit differently, but this is how mine works. Really what I was hoping to see is the frontage here, because that's what the buyer's looking for. I'm going to do another search just in case I missed it. It's usually going to be with the town assessors department. They pretty much go hand in hand for the most part. Do another search for GIS just to see. I see some PDFs where they're discussing maybe implementing one of these systems. I just don't see a link to the actual system. Yeah, I don't see it. So the next step, because we don't really know what the boundaries are based on that map that we have, is to check the registry of deeds. So that is going to be the next search that we do, and I'll create a different video for that.